Third Grade Bridges Review, Chapter 9. Vocabulary. Say and spell the word. Geography. 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 Arrive. 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 Hot Springs. HOT space SPRINGS. Hot Springs. Relax. 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 Coast. 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 Strong. 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 Create. 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 Fresh. 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 Vocabulary. Choose the correct word. I love to create new things. The coast is where the land meets the ocean. I like to eat fresh food. What time will you arrive at school? Let's read page 48. When we learn about geography, we learn about the land. Things like mountains, trees, rivers, lakes, beaches, and even buildings are all parts of geography. Landmarks are part of geography too. They are things that people like to go and see. There are so many interesting things to learn about Taiwan's geography and landmarks. Even though Taiwan is a small island, the land is very different from north to south. Let's first take a closer look at northern Taiwan. As you know, Taipei is the biggest city in Taiwan. There are many famous landmarks here, like Taipei 101 and Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Taipei also has the biggest airport in Taiwan, so many people arrive in Taipei from other countries. From the airport, people can travel to many other beautiful landmarks in northern Taiwan. Beitou is very close to Taipei, so many people come from Taipei to visit Beitou. Beitou is a famous place to visit because it has many hot springs. The water in the hot springs is good for you. Therefore, many people travel here to take relaxing baths. The northern coast has many rocks with strange shapes. The most famous is the Queen's Head Rock in Yelio. The wind and sea are very strong here, and the rocks are soft. So the rocks change shape over time. After many years, the rocks look like shapes we know: candles, mushrooms, and tofu. Many of the rocks in Yelio have funny names because they look like different things to different people. Yangmingshan National Park is north of Beito. Long ago, there were many volcanoes there, so it is a famous park. The volcanoes in Yangmingshan National Park create the hot springs in Beito. Why do you think the water near a volcano is hot? Another good place to visit is Wulai because of the people who live there. Wulai is home to some of the first people to live in Taiwan, called the Atayal. Visitors can watch traditional dances and eat traditional foods. Lala Mountain, also called Daguan Mountain, is also near Taipei. It is famous because it has many large trees and lots of fresh, clean air. Because there are lots of trees, there are also lots of animals to see at Lala Mountain. Many people visit during the summer since that is the best time to pick peaches from the peach trees. Discussion questions. When we learn about geography, we learn about When we learn about geography, we learn about the land. Blah, blah, blah are things people like to go and see. Landmarks are things people like to go and see. Are landmarks part of geography? Yes, landmarks are a part of geography. What is the name of the most famous rock in Taiwan? The Queen's Head Rock in Yelio is the most famous rock in Taiwan. What creates the hot springs in Yangmingshan National Park? The volcanoes in Yangmingshan National Park create the hot springs. Social studies. Why are rivers important? Rivers help to move things around the country. Why are mountains important? Mountains have trees that help clean the air. Why are volcanoes important? Sometimes volcanoes cause earthquakes. Why are lakes important? Lakes are home to many plants and animals. Why are plains important? A lot of food can be grown here. Math. Remember, in math, we're talking about different types or units of measurement. The ones we are talking about are millimeters, centimeters, and meters. You need to remember when you're going from centimeters to millimeters, you're going to add 1 0 behind the number for centimeters. So in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. When you're going from meters to centimeters, you need to add 2 zeros behind the number. So in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. If you're going from millimeters to centimeters, you do the opposite. You need to take away 1 0. So in 100 millimeters, there are 10 centimeters. Good luck!